Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Upstart's AI's lending to your advantage in 2025. Now, Upstart's AI-driven lending model looks beyond credit scores, and it considers factors like education, job history, and financial behavior. And here's how to leverage this system to get a better loan offer. So the first thing is to highlight your education and job history, because Upstart favors borrowers with strong career potential. So if you have a degree in high demand fields, for instance, IT, healthcare, finance, or whatever, your approval chances are gonna skyrocket. So ensure that your education details are correct. For instance, your university name, your degree, as well as your graduation year. Now, provide full employment history. Longer work experience shows financial stability. So you want to make sure that you take advantage of that. Next, you can show a consistent income stream. So salary jobs boost credibility more than freelance or contract work. So if self-employed, be sure to submit tax returns and bank statements to prove steady earnings. And next, you can reduce risk factors before applying. So no missed payments in the last 6 months. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limits, and also avoid new hard inquiries that's applying for multiple loans at once. You want to make sure that you avoid those, and all that's going to help you to reduce risk factors. Next is to apply when your financial health is at its best. So since Upstart's AI analyzes real-time financial data, you want to make sure that you apply when 1, your income is stable and consistent, 2, when your bank account shows steady deposit without overdrafts, and 3, when your credit usage is low and there are no new debts that have been added recently. So you meet these three terms, or rather thresholds, and you can apply for the loan with a higher guarantee of success. Now, for the fifth, you want to compare loan offers and choose wisely. So pre-qualify first without affecting your credit score, and then you can compare multiple offers to find the best APR and repayment terms for you. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it, or hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.